welcome back to Spelling Adventure with Miss Fee.
Hi guys, welcome back to Spelling Adventure. Tap the screen if you know the missing letter in map. Map. If you know the missing letter in map, tap the screen. If you chose the letter A, you're right. Now let's spell map together. M-A-P. Map. Next up is mop. Tap the letter on the screen that's missing in mop. 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 If you chose the letter P, good job, guys. The letter P is missing in mop. Now let's spell it together. M-O-P. Mop. You guys are doing great. The next word is wig. Wig. Tap the letter on the screen that's missing in wig. Wig. If you chose W, awesome. W is the missing letter in wig. Let's spell wig together. W-I-G. Wig. The next word is log. Log. Tap the letter on the screen if you know which one is missing in log. I hear it. If you picked the letter G, good job, guys. The letter G is missing in log. Now, let's spell it together. L-O-G. Log. Our next word is, you guys tell me, ice. Tap the letter on the screen that's missing in ice. Ice. If you chose the letter C, good job. Now let's spell ice together. I-C-E. Ice. Tap the letter on the screen that's missing in web. 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 Did you choose E? Good job, guys. The missing letter in web is E. Now, let's spell it together. W-E-B. Web. This is the color red. Do you know the missing letter in red? Ed. Tap the letter on the screen if you know. If you picked the letter R, you guys are right. Now let's spell red together. R-E-D. Red. This one is cry. Tap the letter on the screen if you know which one is missing in cry. Did you pick the letter Y? Good job, guys. You did great. Now let's spell cry together. C-R-Y. Cry. Last but not least, this is gum. Gum. Tap the missing letter on the screen if you know which one is missing in gum. Did you pick the letter G? Awesome. You guys did right. Now let's spell gum together. G-U-M. Gum. You guys did amazing at spelling adventure. I want to give a quick shout out to all my friends in India and the Philippines. I see you guys. Bye guys. I'll see you in the next video.